welcome back to our HTML series. A website without image is just a wall of text, and let's be honest, that is pretty boring. Today I am going to show you how to embed images that the right way, from basic syntax to professional SEO tips. The tag we use is img tag. Now notice something different. This is a void element, which means it is self-closing. You do not need a closing tag like you do with paragraphs or heading. It relies on two main attributes, Src and alt. The Src stands for source. This is the path to your image file. It can be a local file saved in your project folder like logo.png, or it can be a full URL from the internet. The alt attributes is the most important part that many beginners forget. It stands for alternative text. If your image fails to load for some reason, or if a visually impaired user is using a screen reader, this text explain what the image is. Plus, it helps search engines like Google understand your page better, which is great for your SEO. Never leave this attribute empty. You can also control the size directly in HTML using the width and height attributes. This prevents that annoying layout shifts where the text jumps around while the image is loading. Since we already covered links in the last video, here is the pro tip. You can wrap your image tag inside an anchor tag to make it clickable. Now your image acts like a button that can take users to another page. That is everything you need to know to get started with the images. If this video helped you out, to make sure to like and follow for the next part of our HTML series. I'll see you in the next lesson. Till then, keep coding, keep learning.